Welcome to ModuleWorks headquarters in Aachen. My name's Ben Weber. I have the privilege today of being sat here with the two gentlemen who are spearheading ModuleWorks. Our founder and managing director, Dr. Yavuz Murtezaoglu, and our technical director, Dr. David Plater. Welcome. So at ModuleWorks, how do you both see the factor people?
I think that's one of the success factors of ModuleWorks, is not the individual strengths of the people. It's already there. I think we have a lot of talented people. They have passion for the work. But besides that, if only these people can work as a team, then you can make great achievements.
I mean, that is something I do feel very strongly about. In the kind of business we're in, we have to be the best in the world. We have to develop the best technology because we provide it to the whole world, and therefore that means we're competing with anyone else trying to provide similar technology to the world. So that has to be our challenge, and to do that, we need to recruit the best people, and we're very fortunate we have many very talented people, but it's also important we provide the right environment for people to work in so that they can work successfully, and being a good team is a big part of that. We need to create that environment and that teamwork to get the best out of these very talented people. And by putting all of that together, I think that enables you to develop the best technology.
So Yavuz, Dave, you've invited partners to become investors at ModuleWorks. Could you tell me a bit about the idea behind that and also elaborate? Tell me the story.
I think you're referring to the strategic partner program there, where we've taken a small investment from a number of our key partners to give us some extra resources. That is so we can basically do more of what we've been doing. We want to ensure we maintain the company culture, the company values, the nice work environment for our team, because we believe that develops the best technology, and that's how we give value to the world. This extra investment will allow us to do more of that, and we see that as very important going forward. There are many new technologies around at the moment. You don't have to look too far before you see automation, artificial intelligence, cloud, and so on. There are all these new technologies, and many of those relate very much to the CAD/CAM industry, the engineering industry, which is where we work and where we deliver value. So we need to embrace those new technologies and see how they interface with our technology to make the best of all of that. And that's our vision, is to do that and make that technology available to the whole world. Obviously that's not cheap, and that's where the extra bit of investment helps. It means we have more flexibility and more capacity for doing that.
And I would like to add some more sentences to that. So imagine the SPP, the Strategic Partnership Program, is now with 5 partners, and we expect 2 more to be coming to our partnership program. So if you look at these organizations, they are all very large organizations, and most of them on the stock market. If you accumulate the total revenue of these organizations, it's hundreds of billions of dollars of revenue these partners are doing, and they trust us, ModuleWorks, to become their strategic partners for specific technologies, and we together work on the joint roadmaps. Basically, their mid and long-term plans include using ModuleWorks technology in a much deeply integrated manner, and that's a very strong sign of trust. And we are very happy about that, and we are very proud about this. And it has also the signal to the market that we are not a company going to become part of a larger organization, which has been seen as a risk factor. So basically having multiple companies, even competitors, join into a pool investment and aligning their strategic roadmaps with us is something that shows that we are accepted being, we call the Switzerland of CAM technology, and that helps also to give clarity to our employees, to our customers, and to the whole manufacturing space, the role of ModuleWorks today and expected role in the next few years.
Thank you very much for joining today. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can stay tuned in to all the content we're publishing.